What if I told you theme slides in PowerPoint don't have to be boring like this, even when you have images that are out of proportion or the colors don't match your brand? I'll show you exactly how to do that. Hi, my name is Sander and I'm a Microsoft PowerPoint MVP, and I teach people like you make impactful presentations. Now, if you never want to make a bad slide again, I have an entire program about slide design that teaches you all the fundamentals you need to know to really understand what makes an impactful slide. So let's have a look at this theme slide that we have and what we can actually do with it. All right, so this is the first thing we see on the slide. Now we have a couple of elements like the images, and for the images we see that they don't all have the same proportions. So some of them are quite a lot longer than the other ones, and the other ones are rectangles. And also not aligned, but we're going to look at that as well. Then we have the name and the job description repeated for every person. Also on the top we have introducing the team and experts in their field, a little bit of an introduction on the slide. So this is the first thing that we notice, but also if we look deeper into the pictures, we can also see that the backgrounds differ. So we have a light blue background in the top left one, we have a pink one here in the bottom, and then we have some sort of a concrete and a neutral one. Also for people in the pictures, we see that we have this green turtleneck. So that's something which will really jump out and might not always fit your brand. So let's see how we can fix that. All right, so here we can see the exact same content, but redesigned in a way that might actually match your brand. So what we have first, if we have the title in the middle, nicely centered with that contrast in experts in their field, in a different color, in a different font, so it really stands out. Now what we have done next is we've given each of the people equal space. So we have 1, 2, 3, and 4 sort of columns that we've created with these little cards. You can see if we zoom in a little bit, you can see that we've created a nice card. So there's this rounded rectangle here that is nicely around that subject. Also the backgrounds have been removed for all of the people. So that really makes it like a more consistent feel in the design. So you can see that the backgrounds has been removed. We have created that card. And then also we added a little bit of gradient here from the bottom to the top, so that it nicely blends in with the slide, but it also covers up a little bit of that turtleneck here. So that green that gets sort of pushed to the background, it's less harsh on the screen. And what we've also done is we've added a little bit of a gradient here behind the person on that card. So going from dark to lighter, so it really centers the attention and centers the focus on the person itself in that card. Next, we also have that word or the name, and then we have that job title below in those brand colors again. So you can see that we've repeated that for the different characters. And also important is that we've sort of created them, or we made them like equal sizes. If we compare it to the previous one, some of them were like a little bit more close up than the other ones. So those are really important things to keep in mind, and this, with the exact same content, the exact same images, we could create an effect that looks more on brand. If you have this, you could do this for different colors as well. That is perfectly possible. So I think if we now compare them side by side, we can say that we've improved them a little bit. We've also given it more of a brand feeling. You can change the colors, that doesn't really matter, but this is the logic of how I would approach this. Now, if you're looking for this step-by-step tutorial, this is also part of the design program, where I first of all teach you the rules, how to think and how to come up with these things, and then secondly, how to do it step by step. So if you're interested in that, you can find all of the information in the description below.